Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel SK Home Designs. I hope you all are doing good. This video is all about top trending garden gates ideas. In this video I will tell you several designs and stylish type of door designs for decorating your garden. Here are some unique ideas of garden door designs showing type of styles and work art embedded in the garden gates like butterfly and other architectural designs. These could be of short and very small that can make your garden look more lovely and cute. Especially there are some flower ideas that can decorate your garden gates, or you can keep them in a full length like a front door design of home in a usual way, or you can make them very small. There are different colors showing in this video of garden gates that are very lovely and stylish, showing bucket of flowers around the door. So if you like this video, subscribe this channel and share, and do comment and share this with your friends and family. Thank you. Keep watching for more updates.